Question 3. Methyl benzoate is commonly added to perfumes as it has a pleasant smell. A student carries out a reaction to produce methyl benzoate using the following apparatus. Okay, you're just told what's going on. The reaction mixture needs to be heated. Describe a safe method of heating a flammable mixture. So, really, a water bath is your nicest way of doing that. But you could also use a heating mantle. Basically, anything that doesn't have direct flame will work nicely on that one. Okay. Suggest a reason why there is a small test tube filled with cold water at the neck of the tube containing the reaction mix. Let me back up to the wee picture here, this bit here. And this is a condenser. Condenser to return evaporated reactants to mixture. So this has come up as two different questions in mixture. This has come up two different ways with a slightly different setup in another year. Same idea, okay, that you've got a condenser that will return your reactants to the mixture so they can continue to react or get more of them to react. Okay, chemical equation involved is given. Name product X. Okay, so we have benzoic acid and methanol here, giving you methyl benzoate. So X is water. Okay, that's just a standard condensation reaction. In a laboratory experiment, a student used 5 grams of benzoic and 2.5 grams of methanol to produce methyl benzoate. Explain why benzoic acid is a limiting reactant. You must include calculations in your answer. I mean, they're making it pretty clear what they're expecting you to do. Okay, so let's start with the moles of benzoic. So what I have here, I've got mass and I've got formula mass, so I can work out the moles. 5 grams of this divided by 122 means that I have 0.041 moles of benzoic. Okay, it's a 1-to-1 benzoic to your methanol. So that means that requires 0.041 of methanol. Right, so let's then do our moles of methanol. We've got, where we're going, 2.5 grams, so 2.5 divided by 32, just moles is mass divided by formula mass again, gives me 0.078. 0.078 is definitely bigger than 0.04, so this is greater than 0.041. So methanol in excess, benzoic acid is limiting. I would not miss any of that off. And that's it. Okay. Student produced 3.1 grams of methyl benzoate from 5 grams of benzoic acid. Benzoic acid costs £39.80 for 500 grams. Calculate the cost in pounds of the benzoic acid needed to make 100 grams of methyl benzoate using that student's method. Okay. Right, let me just make sure I need any of these ones. No, I'm fine. Okay. Right, so we've got 3.1 grams of methyl benzoate was made from 5 grams of benzoic acid. Okay. They ask you to give you 100 grams. We're needing to make 100 grams. So we need to start here by working out how many grams of benzoic acid we need. So 100 divided by 3.1 times by 5 gives me 161.3 grams of benzoic acid. That's how much I need. Okay. I am told that 500 grams of that costs £39.80. So to work this one out, 161.3 divided by 500 times by 39.8 gives me 12.83 or 84 depending on where you're rounding to, but the mark scheme wants that. Okay, so 2 marks, one for your proportion up and one for your 500 grams issue, and that's the question.